Hola, I'm Lisa, and welcome to the Unico Planner channel, your happy place for all things digital planning. Today, I'll walk you through setting up your gratitude journal from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully personalized journal ready to help you reflect, reset, and celebrate the good in every day. Before we get started, here are some tools and programs that you'll need. A tablet. This can be an iPad or Android tablet. A stylus. An Apple Pencil works here, or any other stylus compatible with your tablet. A note annotating program to load your journal in. Some examples are GoodNotes, Notability, NoteShelf, or Penly. And of course, some coffee, or any drink of your choice. For this tutorial, I'll be using an iPad Pro, an Apple Pencil Pro, and GoodNotes, but feel free to use your favorite device and app. This gratitude journal is compatible with both iOS and Android tablets, as well as different apps. So while the menus may look different, this journal will work the same across them all. First, let's get your gratitude journal downloaded and imported. After you purchased your journal, you can download it into your device. I like to save it directly into my iPad files for direct access to it. If you go to where it was downloaded, you'll see a zip folder. We need to unzip this folder in order to import the gratitude journal into GoodNotes in the next step. To do this, simply tap on the zip folder and it will automatically unzip your journal file. Next, open your PDF annotation app, whether that's GoodNotes, Notability, or another favorite. I personally use GoodNotes, so this tutorial will be based off of that. Tap on New, then Import. Look for your unzipped folder. Tap on the folder to see your journal. Tap on it and tap Open. Once it's imported, you're ready to dive in. Now that your gratitude journal is loaded, let's explore it together. When it first opens, you'll see the default cover page. This planner comes with 10 extra cover pages. A cover page is what you see when you exit out of your gratitude journal, like this. As you can see, the journal's default cover is shown here, but you can change it to reflect any of the extra 10 covers it comes with. To do this, you have two options. A flexible one that allows you to access to all of your covers at all times, and a more permanent one that deletes the ones you don't want to use. We'll go through both. Option 1 is the most flexible option. Tap on the 4 squares icon on the upper left corner. This is called the thumbnail view, where you can view thumbnails of all the pages that are included in your journal. Let's say you want to take the second cover page to be your main cover page. To change this, tap on your cover, hold, and drag to place it. Tap on the X and tap on the home icon. You'll see that the cover has changed. You can do this with any of the 10 covers in case you want to keep them all and change them down the road. Option 2 is the permanent option. Here, you simply delete any of the extra cover pages you don't want to keep. To do this, go to the upper right corner where you see the row of 3 dots. Tap on that and tap on Move Page to Trash. Tap on Trash and the page will be deleted. Let's do this a few more times to delete the rest of the cover pages and keep only the one we want. You can also click on the thumbnail view and delete the pages that way too. Once you've deleted all but one cover, tap on the home icon and you'll see the cover you chose. Now every time you exit your gratitude journal, your cover will show up here. It's important to note that whatever page is the first one will always be the cover page, so keep that in mind when changing them out. As a quick overview, there are 2 modes in GoodNotes when it comes to using your journal. By default, you'll be in read-only mode when you open GoodNotes. This mode allows you to navigate around your journal and its pages via hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are links that you can see on a typical web page online, but within your journal, linking one page to another so you can switch seamlessly between them all. Tap on it once and you'll enter editing mode. Editing mode is where you interact with your journal by drawing, typing, highlighting, adding images, and so on. Now with that out of the way, let's take a look at our dashboard view. Here, you have 2 vertical menus. On the left side of your screen, you have a section called Journal Layouts. This section has 6 different journal layouts that you can choose from to write your journal entries in. Let's take a quick look at these pages. If you tap on the first layout, this is what it looks like. Here, you can see a bold line to place your prompt in and 3 sections underneath it: date, time, and mood. Scroll to the next pages to see the rest of the layouts. These are blank, undated pages that you can copy and paste over and over to create endless journal entries for whatever day of the year you're on. Because these are undated, you can copy them as much as you want to fit your needs. At the top right corner, you can see a home icon. This icon will be present in every page and links out to the dashboard. Simply tap on it while in read-only mode and it will direct you straight back to the dashboard. Back on the dashboard, you'll see the Journal Prompts menu on the right side of the page. These prompts are here to give you inspiration whenever you're not sure what to write about. For example, let's say we want to write a gratitude entry about our health. To access the health prompts, tap on Health and you'll see this page. Tap on Prompts and you'll reach this page. The prompt page is divided into 12 months full of health-related prompts. Each page holds 31 prompts per month, 62 per page, and 372 prompts per category, giving you almost 3,000 prompts total. You can tap on any of the months in the Grace section to see all of your prompts in that category. If you take a closer look at each prompt, you'll see that each one comes with a checkbox so you can easily keep track of what prompts you've already written, like this. Since these prompts are optional to use, they don't link out to any of the months in the journal. However, you can manually add links within your app of choice to keep track of them. Now that we're done here, let's go back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, tap on the Health section, tap on Journal, and you'll see this page. This is the Health Journal Overview page that links out to each month of the year. Each category has its own journal overview page with dedicated months, so you can pick and choose which month of the year and which category you want to write in at any given time. You can view your monthly reflection page by tapping on one of your journal prompts, tapping on Monthly Reflection, and landing on the Monthly Reflection Overview page. Much like the Journal Overview page, each month has its own dedicated reflection page. Tap on any of the months to go to one. This page has several sections: Reflection of this month, Most grateful for this month, Biggest challenges this month, People who inspire me this month, Lessons learned this month, and Looking forward to next month. Each journal prompt category comes with a link to the yearly reflection page. To reach it, simply tap on it from any prompt page category. This page has several sections: Reflection of this year, Yearly rating, Most grateful for this year, Biggest challenges this year, People who inspired me this year, Lessons learned this year, and Looking forward to next year. To reach your journal section, tap on the prompt category in your dashboard, tap on Journal, and you'll be greeted by this Journal Overview page. This page separates your journal entries into 12 months so you can choose which month of the year to journal in. Tap on the month and you'll be greeted by this cover page with the name of the month. You can paste your journal templates here. I want to do a journal entry using a prompt from the health category. To do that, let's choose the dotted layout from our journal layout section first. Simply tap on the dotted layout, tap on the three dots on the upper right corner, and tap on Copy Page. We'll take the copy of this page and paste it into our health section next. To do that, tap on the home icon, tap on the health section of journal prompts, tap on health, tap on journal, tap on the month, and paste your journal layout. To paste it, tap on the three dots on the upper right corner, tap on Add Page, and you'll see this menu. Here, you can choose where you can paste the page you just copied. I wanted to go after my current page, so I'm going to leave it as is. Then tap Paste Page. And that's it. That's how you use your gratitude journal. Here's an example of an entry I already wrote earlier. If you found this helpful, please give this a video a like and subscribe for more digital planning tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching and happy planning.